Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where we'll explain you how you can use configuring a conditional split in Klaviyo Flow. So let's jump into it. Adding a conditional split. To introduce a new conditional split into your flow, simply drag the conditional split component from the left sidebar and position it precisely where you intend to create this division. Upon placement, a yellow warning label will indicate that the split is unconfigured. You'll notice that yes and no paths are automatically generated beneath the split. Should you insert a conditional split midway into an existing flow, all subsequent components will, by default, be allocated to the yes path. If your design necessitates swapping the components on the yes and no paths, navigate to the settings icon represented by 3 dots and select Flip Split. Important considerations for existing flows. Please be aware that if profiles are already queued within a time delay, and you then introduce a new split directly after that delay, those profiles that reach the time delay before the split was added will bypass evaluation by the new split and will proceed down the yes path by default. Defining conditional logic. Within the Details sidebar, you'll define the specific logic for your conditional split. This configuration process mirrors that of the segment builder and flow filters. Your options for defining conditions include actions performed or not performed by an individual, properties associated with an individual's GDPR status within or not within the EU, an individual's proximity to a specified location, an individual's membership status in a list, an individual's eligibility to receive marketing communications, predictive analytics related to an individual, a random sample selection. As you establish these conditions, remember that recipients who meet your defined criteria will proceed down the yes path, while those who do not meet the criteria will follow the no path. Strategic placement of time delays. The strategic placement of time delays is crucial when utilizing conditional splits. For instance, if your objective is to split based on an individual performing a certain action within a specific time frame, such as allowing a week to ascertain if an order was placed before dispatching a follow-up email, the time delay must precede the conditional split. Monitoring conditional split activity. When individuals enter your flow, they are initially queued in the Waiting tab for the very first step. Upon reaching a split in the flow, they will pause at this point until their scheduled evaluation time arrives. After a recipient has been evaluated at a split, they will then be scheduled to proceed down either the yes or no path as determined by your conditions. To gain insight into the activity of any conditional split, click on the conditional split within the Flow Builder. The Details sidebar will provide a concise count of individuals currently waiting for evaluation, as well as those who have already been evaluated and directed down the yes or no paths. To access more comprehensive statistics and view the specific individuals within these categories, simply click View Details. This concludes our overview of adding and configuring conditional splits.